there are religious leaders in this country that are connected with the people. And if they connect with religious leaders, believe me, they can achieve much, much, much more than they can ever imagine. So the religious leader has a very powerful, positive influence on Nigerians today.
Because in the global community, each community has something to offer to the global community. Nigeria should not only appear in the international news as people fighting one another and each other. Great things are happening, and one of those greatest things is the common coming together of people of faith. There is nowhere in the world where we have such experiment. Almost 70 million Muslims, almost 70 million Christians coming together for a common purpose. There is nowhere in the world that it is happening but in Nigeria.
In African traditional culture, diviners and religious leaders are the guardians of morality and the guardians of communal well-being, and that is why they're respected so much. And in a country like Nigeria, religious leaders have enormous capital. Everyone listens to them. And I think that's because many Africans make this connection between the role of religious leaders in traditional cultures and the role of religious leaders in religions such as Christianity, Islam, and so on and so forth.
As faith leaders, there is something that we have that no other group of people have. What is it? Our members listen to us. They believe us. We don't struggle, we don't ask members to believe us. They already believe us because they know that we are truthful, we are sincere, and we have good intentions for what we tell them.
People listen to them, people believe them. It's very easy for them to get their followers to go in a certain direction. And we can begin to actually help governments and the government of this nation or government of states, governments at local government levels, to begin to get our people to do things.
I think Nigeria could be a model for other countries to emulate. I think could be a very strong, a veritable tool to empower both Christians and Muslims as one people in our country, Nigeria.
I also believe that Nigeria has so much to offer to Africa. Nigeria is the largest country in Africa. Where Nigeria goes, Africa goes that place. A country of 150 million people. For every 5 black people in the world, 1 is a Nigerian. And if that is the case, Nigeria owes the world a lot of duty.
We all belong to this same country, and Nigeria belongs to all of us.
It's very important because 98 or 99% of Nigerians are either Christians or Muslims. And I think it's the only country in the world where we have this. And the divide is almost 50-50. And I think it's the only country in the world where we have such a large number of Muslims and Christians living together.